Hey, welcome back to the Gator Overland channel. I'm John, and in today's video we're going to do something a little bit different. No installs, no DIYs, just thank yous, and about 10,000 of them because we just passed 10,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. That's unbelievable. I would have never expected that to happen. Honestly, I do not do it for the likes, I don't do it for the subs, I do it for you guys. I spend a lot of time developing ideas for DIY, investing money into this, and I do it for you guys in the idea that if it helps just one person, then it's worth my time to do. And thank you. I don't know what else to say. I know they could be long and drawn out, but I know that they are one of the most detailed videos out there, and I do that on purpose. But for that, we also have a new chapter coming up for our Overland channel. My wife, Colleen, is having a baby. So we will have more footage and content coming up that will be more or less baby influence for the off-road, setting up the vehicle to be capable of doing off-road adventures with a baby. So for that, I still just wanted to say thank you so much, guys, for continuing to watch, subscribe, everything that goes on that way. I'm going to continue to make videos. They're going to be long, but they're going to be worth it. As you can think, I think I only have like 30 videos, 10,000 subscribers. I'd say that's pretty impressive. Not patting myself on the back, but hey. But once again, from over 10,000 feet, we wanted to have 10,000 thank yous, and that's that. Thank y'all.